What our culture needs, our society needs, and I think it's a global need, is to soak in silence. Silence is all around us. We just don't hear it. And so today we are going to take time to pay attention to silence and to enjoy it and integrate it as a part of daily life. When I breathe, there is silence in between my breaths, and I want to notice it. And so today is really noticing silence. See, a retreat is not just a one-time experience. You take with you the tools that you learn, and when you leave, you begin to integrate and practice a little bit every day. And so it is an opportunity to have that experience, take it with you, and then practice at home. You could actually practice on the elevator when you're going up to the 10th floor where you might be working. And you can be doing your breathing, your mindfulness practice of paying attention to yourself in the present moment. It is as easy as that.